Yeah, today we are discussing. Last video we have discussed about the mechanism of asthma. In this, today we are discussing about the drugs that to be used in the curement of the asthma. There are two types of drugs in this. One is that is to reduce the inflammation, and one is that help the bronchodilation. So here what we see, bronchoconstriction, and the drugs to be used that they will do bronchodilation. So what is in the bronchodilators? First one is these drugs, bronchodilators are in three categories. First is beta sympathomimetics drugs. So these are beta 2 agonists. We are using beta 2 agonist. Why we not use beta like metoprolol? Why we use the beta 2 agonists? We are using beta 2 agonist because for the bronchodilation, and the beta is used also for the vasodilations, but in this series we have to use beta 2 agonists. So beta 2 agonists acts on this mast cells, and they to be pretend for that it will not happen. What they will not happen? Like salbutamol we will use, that things will not be happen. So while for these we are using this beta 2 agonists. Like salbutamol, terbutaline, phenterol, formoterol, we are using this types of drugs in this series of beta 2 agonists. So what happened in this? In this, it just pretend to that it's not inhibit. It will be inhibit the mast cells, and in this, the beta 2 agonist, sympathomimetic drugs, salbutamols are coming, and they are short acting also. So people are to be inhalation and to be in tablet form, it will be used with the combinations of salbutamol plus any steroid that will be in form of inhalation. So this is this salbutamol does the bronchodilation, and the steroid do the reduction of inflammation. So this is a very perfect combination we have seen in the market, salbutamol and steroids. The second one drugs is theophylline, aminophylline, choline, and the anticholinergic drugs, ipratropium and tiotropium bromide are the usage drugs for in the bronchodilation. After this, we have seen the mast cell stabilizers like ketotifen, the corticoid steroids like budesonide, and anti-inflammatory like omalizumab, alzumab. These are anti-inflammatory drugs, but the first line bronchodilation are that we are talking about salbutamol and terbutaline, and the another one is all the RS the form of same anti-inflammatory. Okay, so this is the topic today we discuss about the thanking you.